Here are some mental health tips. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental health by practicing good sleep hygiene, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and taking time for relaxation and fun activities. Reach out for support. Seek out a supportive friend, family member, or mental health professional to talk to about your feelings and concerns. Practice mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, to help manage stress and anxiety. Get outside. Spend time in nature. Whether it's taking a walk in the park or hiking in the woods to boost your mood and reduce stress. Limit social media and news consumption. Constant exposure to negative news and social media can be overwhelming and anxiety-provoking, so it's important to take breaks and limit your exposure. Set realistic goals, set achievable goals, and prioritize tasks to avoid feeling overwhelmed or burnt out. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on things you are grateful for, even if they are small things. Remember, it's important to prioritize your mental health and seek professional help if needed.